I'm Omar Miller, and I've been busy inside of your television set.
One thing that escaped me last year was time.
And when I have time to relax off set, I like to hang out at the house, and I would love to learn how to cook. I'm enlisting the help of my friends from Melissa's Organic Produce and several chefs to bring alive some of their favorite recipes that are featured at the world's coolest sporting venues and eventually at my house. Today, I'm heading to Dignity Health Center, home of the LA Galaxy, to meet with Chef Ross Luciano and learn how to throw down for groups both large and small. I want to learn how to cook and make meals fit for a true baller. So you're LA native,
Correct.
like me.
Grew up in the South Bay.
It's South Bay all day. We're here now in the South Bay.
Yes.
How long have you been a chef?
I've been a chef for about 7 years here.
In general, I mean.
I was the guy on the grill.
Yeah?
Ever since, high school.
Now, how did you get involved with Melissa's?
They're our actual our approved vendor, but we went further than that. We actually work with their chefs.
Yeah.
Partnering up plays a big role in our business. We can't do it alone.
Well, how many people are working with you in the kitchen?
So I have about a staff of 30.
So 30 people can feed 6,000 people?
I think the most we've had so far is 26. So
26,000 people?
Correct.
Oh, geez, excuse me. You somehow or another figured out how to incorporate some versions of healthy food within the stadium setting.
Correct. So, even a great partner like Melissa's, they really push our boundaries on what we can do with vegetables, produce, fruit. You just have so many more options. I think that's what people are figuring out now.
Right.
Like our segment today, buffalo cauliflower wrap. Did you ever thought of that?
No. But I'm all for it. Chef Ross took me inside his sacred workspace to show me the ins and outs of his buffalo cauliflower wrap. It's an original recipe and amongst the most healthy available at the stadium. For most people, going to a game or concert means totally ditching their diet. Not necessarily the case here, says Chef Ross. This looks delicious. Now, for the moment of truth. I'm messing with you. I love it. All right, well, last thing I want to ask you, when I'm at home, when I'm on the go, I want to put something together quick, put something together healthy. What do you got for me?
With us being in LA, show off something cool and refreshing, and we're gonna do a berry salad.
Okay.
Ingredients you could find in any supermarket.
Now, about how long do you anticipate this? Because I know that time is of the essence for a lot of people, including myself, when it comes to cooking.
5 minutes. So right here, we already have strawberries cut up, finishing up some red onions. Right here, we have your simple mixed greens that you guys can find at the store. Add some fruit.
Yeah.
We got some blueberries right here, raspberries, fresh strawberries.
I'm gonna make some adjustments. I got some figs. 1 fig, 2 fig, 3 fig, 4 fig.
Right here, we have the quinoa. Just go ahead and open that up and just crumbles into the salad like so. We're just gonna add some goat cheese, some lemon juice. And right here we have 5 different ingredients: vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, salad oil, and some herbs.
And I toss him around, and I toss him around.
One more topping is the pecans. What's in season right now are Melissa's hatch pepper pecans. You can buy these already seasoned, already spiced, and we're done. Berry salad with spiced pecans.
And we check the timer. Less than 5 minutes. Hey, Mama! Come on in. The chef taught me how to make a berry salad. I mix it up. I like you to taste the salad.
Oh, okay. I
Feel
get
confident in my
the
ingredients. They're very fresh.
Pretty good.
What do we need to add? I can see it. You're not satisfied.
Maybe a little hint of lemon or...
Oh, that's what he told me to put in. We're going to take a
Good
picture
job.
of our salad and we're going to send it to the chef. This is fantastic. What a wonderful day at the stadium, folks. I love learning new things, but now I have to get back to work.
I'm your host, Omar Miller, and I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Fresh from the Field.